Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites: an Intune license and devices enrolled or Azure AD joined. Next, prepare the app package, MSI or Win32 wrapped as Intune Win, with a clear install command and detection rule so Intune can report success. Once done, open Endpoint Manager and create the app record, picking the correct platform and upload type. Make sure to set scope tags for management boundaries and choose the device groups you'll target. This ensures deployment hits the intended endpoints. You now configure the app's behavior. Enter install and uninstall commands, add requirements, OS, disk, RAM, and dependencies so prerequisites install first. Then build robust detection rules, file, registry, or product code, and map return codes to success or retry. This prevents false failures. Once configured, choose assignments. Required for automated install, available in company portal, or uninstall. Also set deployment scheduling and delivery optimization to control bandwidth. You finish by monitoring the deployment in the Intune console. Watch install status, failure counts, and the troubleshooting blade for specific devices. If something fails, collect diagnostics, Intune management extension logs, MDM event logs, and any app-specific logs from the device to pinpoint the step that broke. Make sure to validate detection rules and return codes first. Incorrect rules are the most common cause. If needed, adjust settings, rewrap the package, or reinstall the Intune client and redeploy to resolve persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.